Hey y'all, it's Kim with the K coming to you guys with a new video. So today's video is brought to you guys by dyhair777. Thank you so much for reaching out to me to collab with me on this video, y'all. I'm feeling this hair. Y'all, seriously, like this curl pattern is so pretty. Look at these curls. It's so pretty. The front's still a little wet. I put a little bit more water on it because when I was putting the wig on, the curls kind of got a little frizzy, but this is the natural curl pattern of the hair. Like, this is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. I literally just added more water, and it's still a little wet, but kind of scrunching it back up to get it in its natural state. And y'all, when I tell you I use mousse to lay this wig down, like I literally just put some. You guys will see, you guys will see, you guys will see, you guys will see. And y'all already know how I do my no bleach the knots, but like not bleach the knots. Comment below if you know what I'm talking about. So before we get into the video and the unboxing and all that good stuff, because the packaging is so cute packaging, I want to tell you guys the specs of the wig. So I got my little information right here. But first off, y'all, we have a coupon code. We got a coupon code. We got a coupon code. Hey. So it's on the screen now. It's Cameron for some shmoney off. So this is their 130% density loose wave lace front wig, 18 inches, color 1B, medium cap size. I really like it. I will leave, of course, the links and everything down in the description box below. It took me like no time to style, and because the natural texture is just so pretty, like it's literally like I curled my hair or like I styled it, but I didn't. This natural, oh my god, I just love it. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing and styling of this wig, and I'll see you guys at the end. Alright y'all, so here is the gorgeous packaging. Such a cute packaging, like it's a whole purse. It was so cute. So shout out to dyhair777 for the cute packaging. So inside of it, of course, is the wig, and they also gave a business card, which is really cute. Yes, got some hair care, we love it. And also some lashes. Y'all know I don't wear lashes. I just have a stash of lashes, y'all. So like if somebody wants these lashes, like let me know. So they have this really cute bag that the hair comes in, and the hair is also covered by a net. Oops, I dropped something. A little tag that says the length and information on that. Anyway, so it's 18-inch wig. Y'all know. Check the description box for all the tea on the wig. Anyway, so here I'm just looking at the curl pattern, checking it out, seeing if there's any shedding. Really, really, really pretty curl pattern. I saw that off jump. Like, look at that. Look at the bounce. Yes, yes, frontal. So here, let's look at the construction of the cap. 2 combs on the side, a comb in the middle, comb on the bottom, as well as adjustable straps. Your traditional wig cap construction for a frontal type unit. I'm just showing you guys. The knots were pretty dark. Y'all know I don't bleach knots, so that we'll see how that ends up turning out. So here I'm just cutting off the lace on the bottom. Y'all know, just cutting it off any old type of way. You know, I don't usually wear my wigs in ponytails and things of that nature unless I'm wearing like a hat or a scarf or something. So I don't really be too particular with the way that I'm cutting off the lace behind at the bottom of the wig, the nape of the wig. So I'm just looks like I'm just getting my life together, okay, getting situated, and trying to figure out how I want to cut the wig. But I think I end up putting it on my hair first before I start cutting. Oh, yeah, I did. So I like to just get an estimate, an idea where the lace falls on my head before I start cutting. I don't like to cut it on my head because, y'all, I'm clumsy, and ain't nobody got time to be cutting off their own baby hairs, like whole ear gone. But yeah, so now I'm going ahead and cutting off the lace around the perimeter of the hair, or the front of the hair, ear to ear type thing. And as you see, I'm going in like a zigzag motion. You do not want to go in a straight line. Look at your own hairline right now. Go look in the mirror, sis, bro. Look in the mirror. Look at your hairline. It's not straight. If it is, you're lying. Barbie doll, hear that. Like, I'm just kidding. Okay, y'all, let me get back to the video. But yeah, so you want to make sure you're going a zigzag line because it looks more natural to mimic, of course, natural hairline. I will say this lace was pretty bright on me, so if you guys can see it throughout the video, I'm sure I added a clip saying, hey, don't judge me, but yeah, so that's the reasoning why the lace was pretty light ashy, if you ask me. But really nice wig construction. It felt good. It felt secure on my hair. Of course, if you want to add the like got to be glued or some type of like bonding glue or adhesive of some sort, you can do so. I ended up trying to use mousse. It worked pretty well, but y'all know I barely know how to use all that, so you know. But here we're doing my bootleg bleach method by using the L'Oreal True Match Powder Foundation in the color Cappuccino. Using my little wig powder brush, lace brush, powder brush. Anyway, I'm just, as you see, caking the foundation on the unit on the bottom half of the lace to get it a little bit more of a natural look, a little bit more of a natural color. But as y'all saw, the knots were pretty dark. So this would, I would say, would be a great wig to bleach the knots. I just am one for more of a, you know, everyday type, not trying to slay, lay, and all that every single day. We can still slay, you know what I'm saying? So let me take that back. We still can slay, but that don't mean we have to do all that extra stuff. But if you can do it and do it quickly, I'm all for it, sis. I just personally can't, so I gotta stay in my own lane. You feel me? You feel me? So sorry about that. But yeah, I'm just trying to figure out where I want to put the part. I'm showing y'all the nitty gritty. I didn't edit all this out because I want y'all to see that it's not as easy as just sticking the wig on your head sometimes. Sometimes you got to manipulate it a little bit, you know, and get it to how you like it. I definitely should have cut layers in this wig. I think that would help a lot with the way the wig was laying, especially in the beginning of the video. And the other clips where I'm talking, I looking back at it while I'm editing, I'm like, why didn't you cut some layers or change the part or something? But look, when you got your head in the game, this was during bar prep. I was probably just ready to slap this wig on, put a video up, and go on about my business, okay? But I definitely wish I would have made a deeper part. I think that would have helped. But yeah, I was using the mousse I used was a Cream of Nature. I will leave that information down below. Hopefully I remember. Cameron, editor. Yes. Okay, let me stop. But yeah, I just wanted to do something a little bit different because I see other YouTubers use like mousse just to hold the wig down. So I wanted to see if you can actually do it. And I will say it actually does lay the wig, but if you're better at doing baby hairs than I am, then you could probably really slay and lay and mess it up, okay? Like, slay on, sis. Hot girl summer. What? So this gorgeous scarf I absolutely love. It's from Glee Made. I absolutely love working with them. She's a fellow YouTuber who owns the company, influencer, and all that good stuff. Black female owned. Yes, yes, we love it. So definitely check her out. I will leave a link down below so you guys can get your own headscarf. I also have a bonnet from them, and I've done some wig reviews for her, so definitely check her out. And here I'm just, you know, kind of messing up the curl, seeing what it's working with. I really love this curl pattern, y'all. It's gorgeous. Like, it's gorgeous. So moments later, we're back. We're going to take off the little headscarf. And as you see, like, the wig was way more flat to the head. But I just, you know, we don't know how to do the baby hair. Look at that. I was legit tucking. Like, very good. But I wonder how it will work for, like, the ear flaps. Because that's really the difficult part. But use some bobby pins, sis. Use some bobby pins. Here I'm just adding some water to the hair just to get the curls popping in because I was kind of messing with them a little bit. But that's it, y'all. That's it. Y'all know we keep it easy, breezy, beautiful. Cameron, what? Let me get out of here, y'all. Now, let's move it to the slow-mo slayage. Y'all know we love it. Y'all know. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to dyhair777 for reaching out to me and doing this collaboration. This hair is so cute. When I tell y'all, I'm talking about like no tangles, minimum shedding. I'm getting some shedding, but I pretty much think that was from me cutting the lace. I did not have to do anything to this wig. I literally barely laid down some bootleg baby hairs, okay? Y'all saw, and that was it. That was it. Like, that was it. Oh, and I'm pretty sure I said it in the video. This, like, headscarf, super cute, super long, which I love because I hate when it's like little scrawny hair scarves and I can't really lay my edges down or anything. I got it from Glee Made. I will leave the link down below and also have a coupon code for them, so definitely check that out. And that's it. I'm done talking, y'all. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment below. How y'all been? How have you been? How are y'all? I'm in bar prep mode, but I'm fine. Everything's fine. I love you guys so much. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. And I see you guys in my next video. Later.